Hi, I am Philly, and in this video I will be giving a step-by-step tutorial for virtual machine creation and how to install an operating system. To create a new virtual machine, you need to start VirtualBox. If you have not installed VirtualBox, that is okay. Download and install VirtualBox in your device. Now that you have started VirtualBox, on the host where you installed Oracle VDI and VirtualBox, select the Applications menu on the desktop, then the System Tools menu, and then Oracle VM VirtualBox. Alternatively, you can run the VirtualBox command in a terminal. The Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager is displayed, and this what your window should look like. The new Virtual Machine Wizard is displayed in a new window. Now click Next. The wizard enables you to configure the basic details of the virtual machine. On the VM name and OS type step, enter a descriptive name for the virtual machine in the name field and select the operating system and version that you're going to install from the drop-down lists, as shown. It is important to select the correct operating system and version, as this determines the default settings for VirtualBox uses for the virtual machine. You can change the settings later after you have created the virtual machine. On the virtual hard disk step, ensure startup disk is selected. See figure 6.7. Select Create New Hard Disk and click Next. The Virtual Disk Creation Wizard is displayed in a new window so you can create the new virtual disk. When the virtual disk is created, the Virtual Disk Creation Wizard is closed and you are returned to the summary step of the new Virtual Machine Wizard. Click Create to create the virtual machine. The wizard is closed and the newly created virtual machine is listed in Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager as shown. Since you want to install an operating system in the virtual machine, you need to make sure the virtual machine can access the installation media. To do this, you edit the virtual machine settings. In Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, select the virtual machine and then in the toolbar click the Settings button. The Settings window is displayed. In the navigation on the left, select Storage as shown. In the Storage Free section, select Empty below the I controller. The CD/DVD drive attributes are displayed. Click the CD/DVD icon next to the CD/DVD drive drop-down list and select the location of the installation media as follows. To connect the virtual CD/DVD drive to the host's physical CD/DVD drive, select Host Drive less than drive name greater than. To insert an ISO image in the virtual CD/DVD drive, select Choose a virtual CD/DVD disk file and browse for the ISO image. This is how an ISO image inserted in the virtual CD/DVD drive looks. Click OK to apply the storage settings. The settings window is closed. If you connected the virtual machine's CD/DVD drive to the host's physical CD/DVD drive, insert the installation media in the host's CD/DVD drive now. You are now ready to start the virtual machine and install the operating system. In Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager, select the virtual machine and click the Start button in the toolbar. A new window is displayed which shows the virtual machine booting up. Depending on the operating system and the configuration of the virtual machine, VirtualBox might display some warnings first. It is safe to ignore these warnings. The virtual machine should boot from the installation media as shown. When you have installed VirtualBox and created the virtual machine, you will have to install an op to the VM. Download Ubuntu. In order to install an OS to a VM, you will need to install the OS just like you would on a regular computer. You'll need to download a copy of the installation. Installing the OS now, you should have everything ready to install Ubuntu. From the VirtualBox Manager screen, double-click the VM you created on the left and a prompt will appear asking to select the startup disk. Use the drop-down menu to select the Ubuntu image that you downloaded in the previous step and click Start to boot the VM.